the earth here for you, my teddy bear, as you see. And she was here, she came to me with the orange ugly hair color and she didn't like it. So we thought we change it for the New Year party. So we put her a nice natural hair color. So I'll show you a little bit. So put her some highlight as you see, and we change it to natural hair color. So absolutely there is no red, no orange anymore in her hair. I really love it. Look at it, guys. It's really nice. Let me just do the camera like this so you can see the highlight, natural, beautiful hair color. So I'm happy. So I'll ask my beautiful girl today. So how do you feel with the new hair look?
I love it. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. All the way from England coming here to Vivian Hair Design. We love you also.
We love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.